Stand back some more. Come on. Right there? Yeah. Hey, how many is that? 9. 10. All right. Drop the dumbbell. Pick up your next domino. Shuffle it. All right. 12. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Shuffle again. Bring 4 squats. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shuffle again. Okay, that one you picked up right there, that's 7. Bring 14 squats. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. 9, 10, 11, 12. Come on. 13, 14. That's what's up. Got 3 more sets, pal. Get you some water. You got to touch the dark side of your soul, bro. Straight up. It's all mental.
Get YouTube Music Premium so you don't have to hear this ad or any others again. Free for 30 days and just $9.99 a month after.
Yes.
Cancel anytime. Restrictions apply.
That's what you're supposed to be like when you working out. If you feel like you're not dying, you ain't working out. That's just what it is. Straight up. Feel like your heart about to pop. Feel like you seeing signs, and you seeing ghosts. And if you ain't seeing things, if you ain't feeling like you about to throw up, you ain't working out. Let's go, man. We got 2 more sets. Focus on the light at the tunnel. It's all mental. It's all mental. Please don't bite me. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Come on. 12. Come on. 13. 14. Come on. 15. 16. 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, I said the same thing too. But it's a beautiful feeling though, when you get up in the morning and you're feeling quality pain. Next set. Yes. Quality pain. Yeah. 6, 12. Come on, man. That's that Aries drive. That's my favorite sign. Because y'all have a lot of drive. Y'all ain't got time to think. Or, well, let me ponder. You gonna go in there with a knife. You're gonna go into a gun battle with a knife. Aries is the most fearless sign in the zodiac. Straight up. Yes, sir. I know this is irrelevant. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. I see it. I see potential. Straight up. You want me a monster. 12, right? 12 reps. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. 7. Come on. 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. How's your legs? Hello. Yeah. One more set, bro. Get you some water. One more set. Man, set 12. Get your breather on. Got a 24, and that'll be it. 24 squats. These are called your gambling goblet squats, because you don't know what number you're gonna pick. You're just picking random numbers. That's the whole idea. See, your body form, that man has a mind of his own, mind muscle. So sometimes your muscles for one might, be accustomed to doing 20, or might be accustomed to doing 135 pounds. Keep it guessing, keep it throwing off. That's how you get your body to respond to different things, such as high reps, low reps, different poundage, huh? Different frequency, slow, fast. Yeah, let's go. One more, and that'll be it. No. Pick up the dumbbell, push your chest out, put your butt out, squat, focus. There you go. 1, go all the way down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. 11, 12, 13. Come on. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Come on. Come on. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. How you feel?
I want to throw up.
You feel like you about to throw up? Well, if you want to throw up out there, man. You did good though. Yes, sir.
I think we're done for today.
You done? You done for today?
Yeah, exactly. Fuck me.